Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll continue working with Web API and learn about the put method. Let's dive in. Previously, we created the get method to retrieve colors from our list and the post method to add a new color to our generic list. Now it's time to learn how to update the list we already have using the put method. We will give a route to the HTTP put method to get ID, which will indicate the color we will update in our list. Remember, in this example, our IDs are simply the indexes of the colors in the list. So, the ID of the color we want to update must already exist in the list. Otherwise, we'll return an error just like this. Again, let's check whether the input is empty or not. If it's empty, we'll return an error. Finally, if everything is valid, we can update the color at the specified index. Let's run the project and try out our new method. Copy the address and open Postman extension in Visual Studio Code. First, we will get the colors we currently have. Paste the address and write the controller name. These are the colors we have in our list. Change the method to a put. Select body, row, and JSON in order. We need to send an ID with the color. Let's first see what happens if we send an invalid ID, in our case index. If you don't include a body in your request, you'll get an unsupported media type error, since in our case, the method expects a string. As you can see, if we send an invalid ID, we get an error as expected. If we send an empty input with a valid ID, we'll get another error stating that the color name cannot be empty. Finally, let's send a request with a valid ID and a color name. This time, we get a success status. Now, let's fetch the entire color list again to confirm the update. As you can see, the color at index 0 has been updated to aqua. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.